Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing the crafting. Today we're going to make some wall decor. I got this cool horse from Temu. It is actually a metal piece and it's just a really cool looking horse. I used to be a horse lady, so you know it's natural that I'm going to like the horse. But you could obviously use any kind of metal piece that Temu has. They have many different animals and flowers and all kinds of things. So I'm using this gorgeous horse. And I'm going to use this 11 by 14 frame from Dollar Tree. And I don't see these all of the time, and so when I do see them, I always pick it up. Because they have moved down to the 8 by 10s a lot more in the 4 by 6s. So I grabbed this one, however, and we're going to use that to mount the metal horse onto. And those little prongs hurt my fingers, mostly because my dexterity is so bad. And so I use that little tool from Dollar Tree, and that helps me to get the little metal pieces up. And we don't need that piece of paper that goes on the back, but we do need this part that holds all the frame, all the pieces together. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna trace it out on some white poster board. Now, if your metal piece was in a different color, you could use any color poster board you wanted. Before we put it together, however, we're going to strengthen this frame because these Dollar Tree frames are cheap. So we're going to put a little glue over the staples in each corner because I have had them literally fall apart. And just kind of smear that glue in a little bit once it's cooled off a little tiny bit, so you don't burn yourself, of course. And then we're going to go ahead and cut out the background or the white poster board that's going to go behind the horse. And again, this could be any color you wanted. If you want it to be bright pink or yellow or red or rainbow, it's up to you. And I did a rough cut, and then I'm just gonna measure it back into the frame, try to get it back into the frame, because I do want it to be a perfect fit. And I'm still not doing it perfectly, so I'm just gonna keep cutting until I get it right, basically. And this last time, I decided I better make a straight line as well. So I'm just using the edge of the cardboard there to make a straight edge that I can cut along. And we'll just do one last cut here. And then it is going to fit just perfectly. Now on poster board, there typically is a shiny side and a matte side. So you get to choose, you know, which side you want. Now it looks shiny here because of the glass, but it doesn't matter, just do however you want it to do. Now I was going to at first not use the glass, but I figured in order to keep the horse in there better, I better use the glass. So I am going to use the glass. And then I just need to find the middle of this poster board to put this horse on. So I am going to measure to make sure it's going to fit right. It's about 3 inches on either side of the horse and about an inch, inch and a half on the top and the bottom. And I'm going to make little marks on certain spots of the horse so that when I go to glue, because I'm going to glue this down onto this poster board. It's metal, it's rather thin, but the glue should hopefully keep it on there. So I'm just going to hot glue this down and quickly line it up with the little tiny lines that I made. And then we're just going to press that down very well. And then the glass will also help to keep the metal against that poster board, which was my other problem, is I wanted to make sure it doesn't fall apart. And then there's going to be glue strings. Well, they're not necessarily. This glue that I have now is horrible, but pull off, of course, any glue strings that you may have. And then I don't want to lift up the piece of art, so I'm going to put the glass down on top of it and then turn the whole thing over. Again, just to make sure that the horse doesn't move. And then all we have to do is just hook it back together, and that is like the quickest 5-10 minute craft you could do that looks this good. I mean, it really does honestly look good. I like it quite a bit. That's it. So quick and easy. Make art yourself. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. Sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.